I feel big, you know what I mean? Like not big in the sense of weight, you know what I mean? Like gaining weight or nothing like that, like colossal, like, you know what I mean? Like, I heard you were looking for me.
We turn now to the tiger attack, which is under investigation.
A ram
Mauled by a tiger in front of visitors.
The tiger is still next to them, still attacking.
Is there any reason that a person should be in the same space as one of these animals?
There's no reason to share the same space.